What's good, everybody? It's Zach back with another unboxing video for you. Today we're unboxing the PlayStation camera and showing you how to set it up. If you do enjoy this video, drop a like on it. And if you want to see more videos just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into it. Is this what we're unboxing today? I think it is. All right, let's get right into it. Hope you enjoyed that transition right there. So basically this is what you get with the PlayStation camera. Smaller, compact box. Really, the camera is so much smaller than the box. Like, they probably could have went with a smaller box, but. So the first thing you do, open it up like so. And it just slides right out. Okay, in the box. A little cardboard, plug in. So what comes with it is the stand for it. Say you want to mount it. It also bends like so. You can see, you can bend it, put it around. The camera goes right in here. And you can bend it to put maybe on top of a TV or a monitor, whatever you want to use it for. So it's a nice little feature that they added. I know the first version of the camera didn't have this with it, which is kind of crazy to think about. They didn't have the bendy part. But that will be what I use it for. I'm actually using it on top of a monitor for my gaming channel, which you can also see in the description if you follow the link. So what else comes in the box? Our actual camera here. I don't know why they did this. I really just tear the hell out of it, to be honest. It's a really stupid setup. They had the cord going through here, still connected, whatever. But here's your actual camera. It's a little bit bigger than I expected it to be. It's about a hand length cord. Unboxing this is pretty simple. This comes with the stand, the actual camera, and the cord. Cord's a little bit longer than I thought it'd be, which is good, because I thought I was gonna actually have to move my PlayStation to set this up, but it looks like I won't have to. Also, what comes in the box, a little instruction manual. I probably won't need it. I've already seen videos on how to set it up, and buddies set it up, so once again, I'm not gonna need it. So it's very nice, very clean look to it. It's pretty high quality from what I've heard and seen for a camera of it's only $60. It's not bad. So it goes right in the stand like this. Say you want to put it on top of TV, you just put it like that, like so, and you can record your gameplay or whatever you want to use it for. Use it for games, PlayStation VR, whatever you want to use it for. So let's get right into the actual setting up of the camera. I put my camera on top of my monitor here, have it on the stand. You can see there, a little bit of an awkward fit, but it's all good. It connects back to the aux port on your PS4, which is right next to the HDMI there. So, it's right there if you didn't see. So, setting it up, you go into devices on your PlayStation settings, go to PlayStation camera, go to adjust. I'm gonna mute the microphone so it can't hear me, because I'm just gonna talk through my headset when I do record videos. So adjust the camera. Adjust the PlayStation camera so that the position can be correctly recognized on the next screen. 3 pictures of you will be taken. Position yourself so that your face fits in the frame. After the pictures are taken, adjust the camera will begin. Take a picture, yo. PS4 will take the first picture. All right. Easy enough. Camera adjusted. Okay. Now I'm gonna adjust my broadcast settings for my camera. Camera video settings. All right, position. So do I want upper right, upper left, or lower left? We'll go lower left. We'll go, so you can go wide, medium, large. I think medium will work for now. But you can also flip it. That's kind of interesting. So So I'm looking a certain way. Okay, will not do that though. Background, do not change. Circular cutout. Oh, I didn't know you could do a circular cutout. Auto cutout. Background automatically removed. Obviously that just cut me out. Chroma key. Alright, so I obviously don't have a green screen, so we'll just do not change. Effect, do we want comic? Pixelate, scan lines, no, we're not gonna do that. Brightness seems okay for now. Transparency, transparent, dun, dun, dun. We'll leave that how it is, contrast. So that's basically it. That's how you set up your camera. You can see when it's recording, when it has a red light on. So I just set up my PlayStation camera. I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, you know what to do. Drop a like, subscribe to my channel, let me know. Also check out my gaming channel to see me actually using this camera for the first time. And if you enjoy this video, drop a like. You already know. And until next time, see you later.